Why integrate time tracking with project management?
Integrating time tracking apps with your project management tools helps you monitor productivity, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure projects stay on schedule. By combining apps like Toggl or Clockify with platforms such as Trello or Asana, teams simplify reporting and gain valuable insight into how time is spent on tasks. This connection streamlines workflows and reduces manual data entry.
Choosing compatible apps and tools.
Select a time tracking app that offers integration support for your chosen project management tool. Popular combinations include Toggl with Trello or Clockify with Asana. Check the integration options in the settings or help sections of both apps to confirm compatibility. Many tools support direct integration, while others work together using third-party automation platforms.
Connecting via in-app integration.
Most time tracking apps offer built-in integration features for connecting to project management tools. For example, in Toggl or Clockify, navigate to the Integrations or Connections section. Authorize your project management account, select the relevant boards or workspaces, and grant the necessary permissions. Tasks and projects will now sync automatically, letting you track time directly from your project boards.
Using automation tools like Zapier.
If direct integration isn't available, automation services such as Zapier can connect your apps. Create a Zap to trigger actions like starting a timer when a Trello card moves to a new list or logging hours in Asana when a task is completed. This approach is flexible, allowing for custom workflows tailored to your team's needs.
Tips for smooth workflow management.
Once connected, establish team guidelines for tracking time and updating tasks. Encourage regular use to get accurate data. Review integrated reports often to identify bottlenecks and successes. By leveraging connected apps, you'll benefit from streamlined workflows, accurate timesheets, and better project outcomes.